That constant drip, drip, drip isn't just annoying, it's a ticking time bomb for your home. Ever walked into a puddle you didn't leave? Or worse, heard the unmistakable sound of water where it shouldn't be? Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of common household leaks and showing you exactly how a skilled professional tackles these watery woes, saving you stress and money. Picture this. A homeowner discovers a growing damp patch under the kitchen sink in their home in Sligo town, or a toilet that just won't stop running. Panic sets in. But before you grab every towel you own, know this: a quick response makes all the difference. Our expert plumber arrives, toolbox in hand, ready to diagnose. Is it a loose pipe connection? A faulty toilet? Need a plumber in Sligo? Call us now. 07193333004. Maybe a worn-out washer causing that persistent drip. He quickly pinpoints the source, expertly tightening, replacing, or sealing with precision, often before you've even finished your cup of tea. What seemed like a crisis is a straightforward fix for someone who knows their way around a wrench.